Restoration work is tough enough. Job delays, poor visibility, and missed handoffs make it even harder. When you're running crews, chasing paperwork, and flying blind on margins, every inefficiency costs you time and money. Too many businesses are held back by using software that's stuck in the past. The result? Disjointed workflows, endless admin, and no clear view of business performance. You didn't start this business to wrestle with tools. You're here to lead and to grow. Meet Xcelerate, the all-in-one restoration job management platform designed by industry veterans. We streamline your entire operation from first call to final invoice so you can scale with confidence and focus on what matters, delivering results. With Xcelerate, you can track jobs in real time from intake to invoice, automate task assignments, reminders, and schedules, maintain job records with centralized document storage, stay connected to the field with a technician-friendly mobile app for instant updates, gain full visibility and insights into job progress, team performance, and profitability, all from a single real-time dashboard. Follow up on projects, build strong relationships, and close more deals with a CRM built for restoration businesses. And let our marketing team handle your SEO, ads, and local listings so the right clients find you first. Xcelerate empowers restoration pros to run smoother, smarter operations from estimate to execution with powerful automation, clear visibility, and tools built for growth. Your business deserves better than chaos. It's time to take control, protect your margins, and lead your team like the pro you are. Book a strategy session today. Let's Xcelerate.